Hello, this is Sheree from Just Nailed It, and today we are going to do some easy Pikachu nail art. That's right, I said Pikachu. Pikachu. Here we go. We have got some charms. They are six. Oh, it was number 6 on my list. Forget about that. They are 4 for $1.69. These are super, super cute. Easy to work with. I'm going to put those on with magnets. I sugared 2 nails. We are going to be taking some Pikachu Fimos, which this is a 6-gram bag mix. You get 2 grams of each design, which is the Pokeball, the Lightning Bolt, and the Pikachu. You get 6 grams for $1.09. These products are all from BRC Nails, tipsxpieces.com. And again, BRC Nails, tipsxpieces.com. You can find these, your Pikachus, your Pokeballs, the different, you got the Kawaii Pikachus, you got the Hello Kitties. She's got a lot of cool stuff. Now, I'm holding my Fimos on with top coat today. That's how I'm going to encapsulate them. I got a thick top coat by iGel Beauty. You could use hard gel, acrylics, whatever you want to encapsulate with is up to you. I'm going to say it's an easy method. Let me see, where am I going here? I'm going to use, where is it? That's not it. I'm using old product from Modern. It is called glue gel, which is like super sticky. I'm gonna put that on the nail to make the but the females will attach itself to those. I'm at a loss for words this morning. I can't find my proper words. I've had that problem the past 2 days now. I'm having a hard time finding my words. I heard of somebody doing this recently that I know, that I am very good friends with. And I figured, what? And then another friend of mine, it happened to her. And then last night at dinner, I was trying to convey something to someone, and I could not find and get my words out to save my life. It wasn't a good experience. If you've ever had it happen to you and you're searching, you just can't find, it's not like, oh, I can't think of the word. It's just you could not find it. You couldn't get it out. It was just, it's puzzling for the person that it happens to. But anyways, enough of my rambling. In the wee early mornings of 4 a.m., that's what I like to film. Everybody's sleeping. It's my quiet time. So, head over to BRC Nails, tipsxpieces.com. Get you some nail goodies. Use my discount code SHEREEBABY10, SHEREE, baby10. All one word. She's got 3 ambassadors now, which is really super cool. Congratulations to Brandy for that. Let me see. Okay, that's the Pokeball. Pikachu. I think they are so super cute. Super cute. Press it down into the glue. I'm gonna put me another Pokeball there at the tip. I think that is so cute. Don't you? It's super easy. It's really cute. I should put us another Pikachu over here. Wow, is that too close? Let me see if I can move this over. There we go. Put the other Pokeball over there. Alright, I'm going to get it back out of the lamp. I'm going with my top coat. I'm not wiping my brush off at all. I'm making this is very thick on the nail. This is where other artists would use the hard gel, the acrylics. And because I'm doing this in the middle of the night or early in the morning, whichever you may call it, that's why I'm not pulling out the monomer. I know my son does not want to get woke up by the smell of monomer. Lights in the lamp, we're going to pause. Alrighty, we are back. Oh, shoot. We are back. I have off camera put probably 3 coats of top coat on here. I have just filed this to make it smooth where it's not so pokey and bumpy. We're going to go back in with one more layer of top coat. If you haven't already and you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button as well as the bell. Hit all. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, anything that's important that may come across my desk, because you never know what's going to happen. I have sugared, let me take that away, 2 nails, the thumb and the pinky, with a product by, it's an old product by She Modern. It is a sugar crush. And these are really super pretty. Hope you can see that they're coming across. I'm having trouble with my words this morning. I'm really sorry. I apologize. So here's what I've done so far. Here's the ring finger that I've encapsulated as well. The middle finger here is where we are putting our magnets. I have put Pikachu on here on a magnet. The easiest way to do that I have found, take your charm. I'm using top coat. You probably should use some rhinestone glue. This does hold them better than the top coat. Now I just need, I need my dotting tool. Here's my charm we got. Shoot. It is so sticky. This is a rhinestone glue and it is very sticky. Put that on the back of your charm. Now I'm going to take the magnet, place it in the middle of the rhinestone glue. Do your best to make sure they are centered. I am going to take my little flashlight, hold this on here for a flash cure. I'm going to move it off camera though. Just hold it on here for a few. Now I don't separate the 2 magnets, the base and the top. I leave them connected. And that's, to me, the easiest way. To me, if you're separating them, put the top, you could end up mix matching the magnets. Then I take my rhinestone glue on the nail. I know I'm making a giant circle here. Wipe your dotting tool off. Get all your rhinestone glue off your item. Then I'm going to take Pikachu and place her on the nail where I want her. Do that. Place this one there. Get your flashlight on again, your UV LED light. You can get your torch they make. You can get all different kinds of lamps. All different kinds of items. But my best advice is to use one of these. Don't just stick it directly into the lamp yet. And as you can see, our top one's not completely, well, it's on the magnets. I don't think the magnets are moving about. Because they will, you know, Pikachu will move. He's on a magnet here. Pikachu! Pikachu! My son was, I don't want to say obsessed with the Pokemon when he was a kid. But he had the cards, and him and his buddies would get outside, you know, and they had the little, I don't know what you call them, the little things that they played a game with, and I don't know. I'm not too sure about all that, how it went. I was the mother, not the child. So now I'm going to stick these into the lamp. Put those on for a full 60-second cure. Alrighty, well, those are the and the lamp, the magnets were 4mm. You can get those off of Brandy's website, brcnailstipsxpieces.com. 4 Pikachus for $1.69. Those are the small charms. 6-gram bag of the Pikachu Fimo mix. 6 grams for $1.09. I think that's a steal. So don't forget, use my code SherieBaby10 to save yourself 10% off your bill. Now, our manicure is complete. It was super easy and fun to do. I think it turned out great. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my manicure for today with Pikachu. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the notification bell. I think these turned out really sweet. Really cute, really cute. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate that. And share it if you want. We will see you next time. Have yourselves a blessed day. And thank you.